Evernote review. Is it the best note-taking app? Evernote has been around for years, but with new competitors like Notion, Obsidian, and OneNote stepping up their game, does it still hold its ground, or is it time to move on? In this short review, I'll help you answer that question. Evernote is a well-known and widely used note-taking app available on almost every platform. If you head to the download section, you'll find versions for Mac, Windows, iPhone, and Android, as well as a web clipper extension for Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. This makes it incredibly versatile and easy to use across different devices. One of Evernote's strong points is its cross-platform integration, allowing seamless syncing between your devices. Plus, it offers a free plan, making it accessible to casual users. However, for those who want more advanced features, Evernote provides personal, professional, and team plans, each offering additional capabilities. If you're serious about note-taking, upgrading to a paid plan might be worth considering. Ultimately, Evernote remains a great option for traditional note-taking, but if you're looking for something beyond that, exploring other alternatives might be worthwhile. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next video.